Good afternoon, everyone. This is Peter from Aces Deals and Sublimation Central, and I am doing a video today where I'm going to show you one of our newest products in time for the holidays, and I think it's going to be a very cool item. It's going to be a great stocking stuffer, that's for sure. So I wanted to introduce you to our LED acrylic keychain. All right. Now this keychain, I did a video yesterday. I just did a very short video showing, what it does. And we're going to, show you what comes with it in the kit and the tools you're going to need to put it together. And I think it's going to be a very, very cool product for the upcoming holidays, or, for any special occasion. You just need something quick to get. This is something that can be laser engraved in a matter of less than 2 minutes, put together in less than a minute, and you have a fully functional LED crystal or acrylic keychain. All right. I wanted to go over the parts with you. So the first part is going to be your basic or your main part. It's the LED keychain case. And there's a little black like rubber band around it. That's, for shipping purposes. So, and what it does, let me get the other one that I've already been working on. And this is it with the assembled keychain and so on. And when you open it up, there it is. You can see your battery inside and everything else. This is a rechargeable lithium battery. When you put it together with the acrylic piece, you'll assemble it with the 4 screws that are provided in the kit. And just a word of caution, you're going to need a very tiny Phillips head screwdriver. I got this at Home Depot because I've got assorted tips, but I also can recommend those little eyeglass kits that have the little, a Phillips head screwdriver in it. So in your kit, you're going to get the major battery contained kit. You're going to get the attachment so you can hook it to your pocketbook or your key ring, whatever. The little keychain loop that loops into the LED case. You're going to get a rechargeable USB cable that allows you to recharge your LED light when it starts to go dim or it needs to be charged up. If you were to leave this on, the manufacturer is telling us that you're going to get 6 to 8 hours of lights or power, whatever you want to call it. These 4 little screws will be included in the kit. And then you're going to have your choice, and I'm going to show you, of a round acrylic or a rectangular acrylic. Okay? And just to give you an idea on the, on the round one, you're looking at a diameter of approximately 2¼ inches in diameter. On the rectangular one, all right, you're looking at a width of 2 inches, and the height is 2¼ And as you can see, these little holes here at the top that are, laser cut out by the laser, they're what fits inside. And then when you tighten it with the 4 screws, it stays securely in the LED battery container system. All right. So we're going to give you an idea. I'm going to push the parts to the side because I'm going to use the one that I've already put together. So there's your power button on that side. You turn it over. I lift it up, as you can see, and I hope you can see it. And you'll see right here the posts that you take the holes of the acrylic and you set it over the posts. And I know it's kind of hard to see because I'm working by myself today. And then you'll close the acrylic backing, and now you have a keychain. All right. And then, of course, you put in the 4 screws. It'll tighten it up so this doesn't wiggle. This piece of acrylic does have the paper backing on both sides, And of course, you can leave it on when you're engraving, but when you're done, peel off both sides and what do you call it? I just rinse it off under water, scrub the engraving with a toothbrush, and it cleans up, you know, the powder residue and so on, and cleans it up very nicely. There's an on and off switch on the side. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to show it to you. And you simply turn it on. And as you can see, it changes colors. All right. We're going to do a video with a fully assembled one. And we'll have these on the website by tomorrow, Monday, October 25th. They will be available. Extra blanks will be available if you want them. And for those of you that don't have a laser and are looking for this, this will also be on our website. You supply the image or you pick from the images we provide and we will make it for you. All right. So have a great day and stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. And what I did, I wanted to give you an idea of the many different possibilities that, you know, you can do with your laser engraver. We used a Beambox 40-watt laser. But this can be done on any laser. And of course, you would have to figure out your own particular settings for your particular laser. So I took a photograph. Now, there's a picture of my wife from the chest up. This is laser engraved and on the BMO. And I tried to make it as dark as I could here in the room that I'm working in. So, but I wanted to give you an idea that it doesn't have to be, you know, a PNG image. I shouldn't say that, a graphic image. You can laser engrave, you know, for the keychain, your logo, your business logo, text, any image that you want. But I wanted to show you how you can take a photograph and put it onto the acrylic. So let's turn on the light. Hate working in the dark and without my glasses. So, but I don't know if you can see it, but there's a picture of my wife. And as you can see, the acrylic is changing colors. There's 7 different colors. Like I said, the battery life is approximately 6 to 8 hours. At nighttime, it's really, really bright. If I was in a very dark room, this is a bright light. Perfect for when you go into the car and you need a light on. You could turn it on. Now, if you just want a solid color, you just press the button once. I'm sorry, there's the flashing. And then there's a solid color. Press it again. And there you go. So you can pick a solid color, you can pick flashing, you can pick alternating colors, you know, whatever it is you want to do. So, but there it is, there's a photograph, and then I'm going to show you what I did with a Google image. Okay, here's the final part of our video. So I have a completed acrylic keychain, and in this case, I took an image from Google. I'm not going to lie. So this is a Christian cross. And what I did is I laser engraved, and I always mirror the acrylic. So the smooth is on the front and the engraving is on the back. You don't have to do it that way. You don't have to mirror it. I always do. All right. Same thing with photographs or any other images. But again, take any image. And as you can see, it's kind of hard, but there you go. But you take any image, it could be a photo, whatever, all right? And you can laser engrave it. This is going to make a really cool gift. It's something unique, something different. You will find this on our website no later than tomorrow, Monday, October, whatever the date is tomorrow, October 25th. All right, it will be on our website, the kits, and they're inexpensive. And you can find them at www.acesdeals.net. If you have any questions, if you're interested in ordering quantity, because these are going to be sold by, you know, the set, all right? But if you're interested in quantity, and when I say quantity, I'm talking 12 sets or more, please call me. There's 2 different numbers you can reach us at. Toll free, 239-2644 or 631-730-7228. Monday through Friday from 9 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. And on Saturdays, we are open for our members and for our website customers from 10 to 4 p.m. Eastern. There was one more thing I wanted to point out. The acrylic, all right, that you're going to be assembling to the LED keychain is not your standard 3mm acrylic. This is a 4.5mm acrylic. A 5mm clear acrylic will work. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the thickness. All right, it's not the 1/8 inch or 1/16, because if you use anything thinner, the acrylic will rock, and you'll have to put in spacers so it doesn't, shift back and forth. But there you go, guys. Aces Deals presenting the LED crystal acrylic keychain that can be laser engraved with any image, text, photo, whatever, as long as it's processed correctly. And if you have questions about, how to do photos on acrylic, please do not hesitate to call me or email me at peter@acesdeals.net. I prefer a phone call because it's easier to help you guys. Have a great Sunday and see you soon.